Welcome to Unit 10, Teaching Speaking. In this unit, we're going to talk about pronunciation and speaking. So the readings that will help you with this unit are Chapter 6, Teaching Pronunciation, and Chapter 8, Teaching Speaking. Now there's a big difference between speaking and pronunciation. With speaking, our goal is communicating an idea. We want to be intelligible, we want to be understood, and listening, understanding, and responding is how we communicate. So we listen to what we're being told, then we process and understand, and then we can respond. Pronunciation is a little bit different. When we're teaching pronunciation, we want the idea to be intelligibility. Are we being understood? A lot of people think that when they're learning how to speak, they need to have a native-like accent in order to blend in. But that's not necessarily true. We need that. That's not necessarily true. In order for us to have effective communication, we don't need to speak like a native English speaker. We just need to be able to be understood. You can also teach pronunciation for better fluency. This just means it's easier for people to speak. When we learn little things about pronunciation, it can make our speaking a lot easier. I remember when I was learning how to speak French, I learned to connect words. And as soon as I did that, speaking was so much easier. There are two big words your students should know. The first is syllable. The second is stress. Now, this isn't the kind of stress where we go, I have so much to do. No, it's word stress. Syllables are how we divide up words when we're saying them. A syllable, in the simplest way to explain, is a consonant and a vowel together. So, for example, with the word syllable, we have three. Syllable. Now, Y may be a consonant, but here it's a vowel sound, so we consider it one syllable. Now, there are two types of syllables. Open, which ends in a vowel sound, like sofa, see, you. Those can keep on going because they're vowel sounds. The other type is a closed syllable. These are not as common in English, but they do exist. Art, one syllable, it starts with a vowel and ends with a consonant. Girl, here the vowel sound is surrounded by consonants. One syllable. Dog, again, consonant, vowel, consonant, one syllable. Pictures. This is a two-syllable word, and we may have two vowels here, but it's pronounced as one syllable because we don't pronounce that E. We go straight from R to S. So sometimes it can be a little bit complicated, but when we're teaching new vocabulary words, we want to make sure to teach how many syllables.